Hey guys, my name is Shubhranshan Bhaskar, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a canvas for your Framer websites which has all the elements that you can move around here and there, and you can even drag your canvas like this. So now without wasting our time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need is a new Framer project, and the first thing that we're going to do is hit F key on our keyboard, and we are going to create a new frame that matches the width. Now make sure that the left, top and right constraints are set, and what we are going to do is set the viewport height to 100 VH, and we are going to align it to the center. So right now what we are going to do is set the fill to a distinct color. I'm going to show you why later on in the video, but right now I'll hit the F key again and we are going to create a new frame. Now this is going to be the frame that is going to contain all the elements that we are going to add to the canvas layer, so make sure this is big enough. So right now I'm going to set this to around 3000 by 3000 pixels. Let's center align it and let's change the color to fill. Now to simply avoid confusion, let's rename the base layer to canvas layer and rename the layer that we have just created to elements. Now select the elements layer and go to the effects panel and add a drag effect. Make sure you turn off the snapback effect because we don't want the original layer to go back to its original state. So right now if you preview it, you can see that the elements layer is now draggable, but if we go to the farther end of our canvas, you can see that the canvas layer is not draggable anymore, and that's why we had a distinct color for the canvas layer so that I can show you this difference. So to fix this, we are going to select the canvas layer and add a new scroll section. Let's name it to canvas. And once we do that, we are going to select the elements layer and we are going to go back to the drag effect that we had previously added and set the freeform to no and the section that we have just created. So right now if you preview it, you can see that that problem is now solved and you cannot go back to the farthest end of the canvas layer, and therefore we can remove the fill that we had just added to the canvas layer. So by now our base canvas is pretty much ready, and now we are going to start adding elements to our elements layer. So select the desktop layer and set the overflow to visible like this, and select the canvas layer and do the same. So once you do that, you can see your whole canvas layer that in which the elements are going to be added. So I've picked up these elements from a Figma file. You can find these elements or create one of your own, and we are going to add them one by one onto our project file like this. After adding all the elements, we are going to zoom in a little bit and we are going to select one element that we have just added, and we'll go to the effects panel to add a drag effect. Make sure you turn off the snapback mode, and now we are going to the effects panel again and add a hover state. Now you can make some changes in the hover state as you would like them, but right now I'm gonna set the scale to just 1.1 and the rest of them I'm gonna keep it as default. Once we do that, we are going to have an press state as well, so let's increase the scale to around 1.2 in the press state, and let's set the rotate to around 4. That should do it. If you want, you can also add some shadows to your elements. So let's simply add one. Let's set the blur to around 20, set the y-axis to 4, and let's set the opacity to around 12%, or rather maybe just 16% so that I can have a clear distinction. Now once we do that, what we are going to do is copy the effect that we have just added to one particular element like this, copy effects, and paste the effects in all the other elements that we have just added. So you can right click, paste, and paste effects. That should do it. So now once we preview it, you can see that all the elements that we have just added have their hover states. The canvas is draggable as you can see right now. Even the elements are draggable with their hover states and their press state, and that should do it. So that was it for this video guys. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment and share it with your friends. Have fun. Bye bye.